Fast track your low and slow cooking with the Adventure King's folding charcoal starter. It's the easiest and quickest way to light your charcoal or your heat beads for your fire pit, your smoker or your barbecue. It folds up compact, which means it's easy to store and pack away. It's quick and easy to set up so you're ready to go in seconds. It's made of tough stainless steel to ensure it lasts through regular heating and cooling cycles and stays looking like new. The multiple ventilation slots makes your charcoal light faster and gets them burning hot, which means once you transfer it to your barbecue or your smoker, you're sure the rest of your fuel will start to burn properly too. And lighting it is super easy thanks to the large access cutouts. So whether you're using matches or a lighter, you won't burn your fingers. Say goodbye to the most painful part of any barbecue, lighting your charcoal or your heat beads. The Adventure King's folding charcoal starter is the easiest way to get cooking quickly.